Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dandyman app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps this here, and there you're looking here for Dandyman app, or just click on search. So then here at Dandyman, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here you click here on for so click here on OK here. So then you go down, you just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.